Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to select size on Wish app. Choosing the right size ensures that you get the perfect fit for your clothing and accessories. So, let's get started on how to select size on Wish app. First, open the Wish app on your device. On the home screen, scroll through and find the item that you want to buy. On the product page, scroll down until you see the different size options available for the item. From the list of available sizes, tap on the size you want to choose. Make sure you select the correct size before proceeding with your purchase. And this is how you can select size on Wish app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.